Hello everyone and welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. Today we are reviewing these RGB 5-volt lights. So they're different strip lights, and we're going to show you what they look like and go ahead and plug them in and show you how they look after they're plugged in. So they're just almost like diamond, like rough gemstone. So it's not smooth here, it's rough. And it's just a simple light with the prongs just like that. Alright, so you can see it's turned on here now. So this is our gaming PC. So you can go ahead and mount these wherever you want inside your PC. The bar's fairly long, but they look super nice. I absolutely love it. And the nice thing is it's magnetized, so this is a magnet strip. So you don't even have to tape it on. We could just set it on just like that. And the other bar we probably are going to put like up in here. Oh man, they look so nice. Wow. Just beautiful. The great thing is you can use as many as you want. You just simply connect them to each other. Pretty awesome.